Recording has started, so let's go. So we have tomorrow expiration. This is our weekly. We have 65, 99 versus 37, 48. So let's say 65, 37 on the weeklies. Let's turn this to the daily. And we have 42, 41 versus we're right now in 42.20. Looks like we might be having a day down. So next support is 05. 05 versus 25. So we can actually see, let's see what we have.
Let's check the straddle lead.
Straddle is 42.20.
42.20 straddle is
14. Okay, 15.
15.
Okay, so let's look at rounding that up. Why don't we compare our charts now to what the $4,000 level looks like versus I'm sorry, $4,200 level versus 4240.
That's what I was looking at earlier. I don't think it was enough.
Okay, make about $2, $2 or $3 or something like that.
So 4,200 looks okay. It looks like that could be support, and then the $40 level also looks like there could be some resistance based on the Bollinger Band. So I think this is safe enough to start with. So let's see what we can get.
And that lines up with our straddle.
So 42. We're going to do the in the monies, doing the gut, the 4240 put versus 4,200 even call.
So that should be somewhere around 350, 370.
Okay, let's try to execute that now.
Okay, so let's put 370 target at 42 even versus 4240.
4240 put. Okay, here we go.
Okay, so we need to get 40 plus. All right, so let's load them up. Okay, let's give it. Okay. Right, and this is 475, 450, 425, $4 even. Let's give it a minute. Okay.
Oh, we got filled on one side, now we got filled on the other. Go ahead. Let's lower that down a little bit.
This is 375.
All right, so 375 is what we got filled. So 22 and a half and 21 and a quarter. 21 and a quarter is.
Did you get the numbers where we got filled?
For yours?
For you.
Yeah, for you to target these.
Quant's doing it. Quant's doing it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So right now, you know, for risk control, we don't do anything to 4240 or 4200 even. At that point, we'll expand by another $40.
So when you're trying to sell your trades, try to sell 42 even call at 22.50 and 42.40 put at 21 and a quarter.
Okay.
Okay. All right, now on the agenda for the week, I don't think there's any big economic numbers or other big serial expirations, but we'll check as we get into tomorrow. The only news I saw coming out of the weekend is there's talk about a fourth stimulus plan, possibly in the month to come. I doubt that's going to happen, but that's what they're talking about. I guess I would be attached to their budget proposal for August for the federal government. Outside that, quiet on the horizon. I don't see. Let's see here what we got for other markets. Food prices up a little bit overnight.
Did you take your orders?
Yeah, it went.
We were
We got
22.50, and what was the other one you did?
Here's the prices. So we sold
22.50 and 21.
21 and a quarter. This is the prices. Try to
Okay.
execute them there.
Okay, let me try to change it.
Yeah, make sure you keep changing. Where's your metals prices on here?
Metals out on the charts. Wait a sec. No. Go to trade. Go to active. This is the metals.
Okay. Yeah. Gold and silver are pretty much unchanged.
Change the gold to daily.
I was looking at the net changes to see what's moving tonight. Energies are pretty flat, natural gas flat, and metals are flat. Food price is the only thing up, so nothing really moving out there that's going to change our stuff. Bonds are unchanged as well.
So let me know when you're going to execute these prices so I can change the screen.
Do you want us to pull back up the strikes and show you what they could be filled with?
Yeah, I think maybe we should pull that back up.
Eager, put the strikes back up on the screen.
All right. So
He got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Phil, what price did you get?
22.75 and 21 a quarter.
So you got $4?
So you pretty much got the same thing.
Okay, great. So once again,
better.
This is for Monday, week 2, going into June 7th. And this is June 6th at 7 p.m. at night. So we don't have to do anything in the S&P until 4240 or 4200. We have the 4240, 4200 even gut, and it is sold for $4 over intrinsic.
So
Yes.
if you guys are watching the market, let us know if we hit any of these price points.
We will send out a text. All right, thank you very much, and we'll conclude recording now.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank
Good night.
you.
All right.
Okay, all right, goodbye.
Bye.